In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Powered by Shopify in Shopify Dawn theme. We'll walk through two reliable approaches. First, we'll try the quick setting built into some versions of the Dawn theme. If that option isn't available in your store, I'll show you how to remove it safely by editing the theme code. Start by opening your Shopify admin and heading to Online Store, then Themes. Find your active Dawn theme and click Customize. Inside the theme editor, scroll down to the footer section. Depending on your theme version, you may see a toggle or checkbox labeled something like Show Powered by Shopify or Show Credit. If you see it, switch it off and click Save. That's it. On many Dawn versions, this instantly removes the credit from your storefront. If you don't see that option in your footer settings, no worries. Some versions don't include the toggle, so we'll use the code method next. Before we edit any code, a quick safety note. It's always best to duplicate your theme so you have a backup you can revert to if needed. Once you've created that backup, go back to Online Store, then Themes. Click the three dots next to your Dawn theme and choose Edit Code. We're looking for the footer markup, which is typically in sections/footer.liquid. In some versions, it might be in snippets/footer.liquid. Open the file and search for the Powered by Shopify text. You might find a translation tag that looks like General Powered by Shopify T, or a direct link like an anchor tag that reads Powered by Shopify. If your code editor has a search bar, type Powered to find it quickly. When you locate that line, you can remove it or comment it out so it won't render on your storefront. To comment it out in Liquid, wrap the relevant block with %comment, % at the beginning, and %end comment, % at the end. For example, you could comment out a div that contains the translation tag. If you'd rather just delete the anchor line directly, that works too, as long as you're confident about what you're removing. Avoid deleting surrounding code you don't recognize. Click Save, then preview your store to confirm the Powered by Shopify text is gone. If anything doesn't look right, revert your change in the file or switch back to your duplicated theme. That's all there is to it. Either the quick toggle in the footer settings or a small tweak in the footer. Liquid file.